Hello there, how are you? Now I'm going to give you another example on Newton-Raphson method. Okay, let me write the title. Again here we're going to solve nonlinear equation using Newton-Raphson method. Given, let's say that you have x cubed minus 4x squared plus 1 equal 0, then I will say that f of x equal x cubed minus 4x squared plus 1. Then I will find its derivative, which is 3x squared minus 8x. Okay. You still remember what's the formula for Newton-Raphson method? It's x sub n plus 1 equal x of n minus f of xn over f derivative of xn. Now here we're not given any interval. We don't know what's the root is between what and what, so I have to search for the interval by myself. I'll write the equation again. F of x equal x cubed minus 4x squared plus 1. Let me start with f of 0. It's just trying f of 0. That means you're going to replace, instead of each x here, 0. Here I'll make 0 cubed minus 4 times 0 squared plus 1. This will give you 0 minus 0 plus 1, which is 1. So f of 0 equal to 1. Now let's see what's f of 1. 1 cubed minus 4 times 1 squared plus 1. 1 cubed is 1. 1 minus 4 will be minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. So here it's positive, but here it's what? Negative. So if the function changed, the result of the function changed from positive to negative or from negative to positive, then the root is between. The root lies between 0 and 1. I'm using the same first step in the bisection method, if you still remember. I'm using same idea here. So now let's start. Okay, you can choose any number between 0 and 1. It's up to you. You can choose any number you want. I'm going to choose x of 0. Let's say it will be 0.5. So let's start. X of 1 will be x of n, which is 0.5 minus the function. I'll write for you the function with its derivative here, just to remind you. F of x is x cubed minus 4x squared plus 1, and its derivative is 3x squared minus 8x. You still remember that, right? So here it will be 0.5 cubed minus 4 times 0.5 squared plus 1 over the derivative 3 times 0.5 squared minus 8 times 0.5. You can use your calculator here. Please use your calculator and you'll find out that x1 equal to 0.5385. Now I can use this x1 to find x2. Let me change the color. x2 equal 0.5385 minus same number here cubed minus 4 times same number here squared plus 1 over the derivative, which is 3 times my answer squared minus 8 times the same number. Please use your calculators here and you'll find out that x2 equal 0.5374. Now you can see that the number is converging around 0.53. 0.53. I'll give you another tip here. If you are asked to find the number to 2 decimal places, you'll stop here by saying it's 0.53. 0.53. Let me give you one more tip here to help you to know if your answer is right or not. We agreed that x2 equal 0.5374. You can plug in this in the equation, which is f of x equal to x cubed minus 4x squared plus 1. I'll plug in the number. And the answer is supposed to be very close to 0. And the answer here is going to be 0.0000054136. And this number is very close to 0. That means it's almost the root. It's almost the right answer. So I can stop here. If I'm asked to find the answer to 2 decimal places, I can just stop and say that x equal to 0.53. Okay, I hope that Newton-Raphson method is clear. I hope that you understood Newton-Raphson method and the difference between how to solve nonlinear equations using Newton-Raphson method and using the bisection method. Now, based on your request, I'm going to give you exercise to practice by yourself. I want you to solve those using both methods, Newton-Raphson method and using the bisection method. X squared plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Please, I want you to find the interval by yourself. Second question will be x cubed plus 2x squared plus 10x minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, here solve those two using both Newton-Raphson method and bisection method. I'll give you another simultaneous equation. Solve this. Here you have only 3 variables. Another simultaneous equation with 3 variables. I'll read for you the exercises or the questions to make sure that my handwriting is clear. Solve using Raphson method and Newton-Raphson method and using bisection method. X squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. X cubed plus 2x squared plus 10x minus 20 equal to 0. Solve the simultaneous equations using Gauss-Jordan elimination method. X plus y minus z equal to negative 2, 2x minus y plus z equal to 5, minus x plus 2y plus 2z equal 1. Here, w plus 2x minus y plus z equals 6, minus w plus x plus 2y minus z equals 3, 2w minus x plus 2y plus 2z equal 14, w plus x minus y plus 2z equal 8. Okay, that's all for today. Wish you all the best. If you have any questions, any comments, you can write it for me on the group. Have a nice day.